Good recovery doesn't just happen. You have to plan for it. Benjamin Franklin said, "If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail." That couldn't be more true when it comes to recovery, whether you're healing from addiction or from the deep wounds of betrayal. Whether you're the one rebuilding from addiction or the one recovering from betrayal, your healing won't happen by accident. It requires intention, repetition, and structure. This plan will include daily, weekly, monthly, and even annual activities that will help you stay grounded, healthy, and moving forward. Let me be clear. You don't need to have all the answers today. Your plan will grow and evolve over time. But today, we begin. Some people treat recovery like a bank account. They make a few deposits, go to a meeting or two, have a good therapy session, and then they think they can take time off. But recovery doesn't work that way. If you're not actively moving forward, you're actually sliding backward. That's true whether you're staying sober or staying grounded. Recovery must become part of your daily rhythm, your weekly structure, and your long-term vision. Let's walk through the principles that will shape your personal recovery plan. Number 1, hope. First and foremost, in order to make progress in recovery, we have to have hope. Hope creates space for healing. It reminds us that change is possible. Whether you're the addicted partner or the betrayed one, hearing stories of others who have found their way, who are living soberly, healing in their relationships, and rebuilding their lives can offer you something very powerful: belief in your own possibility. Let me assure you, I've worked with hundreds of people just like you, people who felt beat down and despairing, people who thought they would never be able to find a way out from under the yoke of addiction, people who felt they would never be able to trust or experience true joy again. And I've seen hundreds of people restored, living a free and abundant life. Your healing is possible, so I want you to have hope. As I often say to my clients, I will hold hope for you until you can hold it yourself. Number 2, honesty. Honesty is another foundational principle required for recovery. If you are the addicted partner, that means being honest with yourself about your own addictive behaviors, not minimizing or justifying them. If you're the betrayed partner, that means being honest about the pain that you're in and the impact of your partner's behavior, no matter how normalized it may be in culture. Honesty starts with yourself. Dr. Magnus always said, the greatest lies are the ones we tell to ourselves. So, if we start with ourselves, from there, it can begin to grow into our relationships with others. Number 3, transparency. Transparency means showing up as your full self, not hiding behind shame or self-protection. For the addicted, that might mean letting others in on the struggles that you've kept a secret. For the betrayed partners, it might mean letting people support you, even when you feel raw or guarded. You deserve to be seen. Number 4, personal responsibility. No one else can do your recovery for you. Your therapist, your sponsor, and your spouse can all support you. But at the end of the day, you have to do the work. You have to be the one who shows up, who follows through, and who stays motivated. Whether you're healing from betrayal or addiction, your recovery is yours, so we want to help you own it. Number 5, other people's experiences. One of the greatest gifts of recovery is the wisdom of others. Listen to those who have gone before you. Whether you agree with everything or not, stay open. Learn from their progress and their mistakes. If you could have healed alone, you would likely have done it by now. So let's let others help light the path for us and with us. Number 6, priority. Where does recovery fall on your priority list? If it's not first, take another look, because without your recovery, without healing, everything else is at risk. That doesn't mean you neglect your kids or your job. It means you recognize that you can't show up for those people or responsibilities very well if your own life is unraveling. Number 7, sacrifice. Recovery costs something, including your time, money, comfort, and control. You may need to change your schedule, limit time with certain people, or give up habits that used to feel good but now pull you away from health. The good news is you're not losing anything worth keeping. In fact, you're investing in freedom and in yourself. Number 8, healing happens in community. Whether you're attending SAA, SA, or maybe a partners group like ISA or COSA, showing up regularly and engaging with others who understand is critical. Please don't try to do this alone. We want you to have the support that you need. Number 9, the 12 steps. The 12-step program offers a proven framework for healing and transformation. So make meetings and step work a central part of your weekly rhythm. If you're not sure which group is right for you, ask your therapist or sponsor for direction. Look for people in those rooms who are living the kind of life that you want. Those are your guides. And I often say, take what's good and leave the rest. You don't want to miss out on something that can be really great and helpful for you because there are parts of it that just make you feel a bit uncomfortable or don't line up for you. Certainly stay safe. Don't do things that wouldn't feel appropriate, but make sure you understand there is a lot to gain from the community. Number 10, imperfection. Make sure you hear me on this. You won't do this perfectly. In fact, some days you'll feel strong. Other days you may feel like you're right back where you started. That's normal. You're not aiming for perfection. You're aiming for progress. Show up, do your best. Be kind to yourself along the way.